Well, good morning, Frank. What are we up to today?
Got to build a form to put the arch up. So I'm putting it up on upside down and measuring 28 inches and then putting it there. And I got to put the right, exactly the right mortar joint lines. And then figure out. Figured this was easier than trying to measure it and guess. And then we'll be able to put it up there and hook the hook it up.
Hook it up.
I figure if it goes together here on the ground, it's got to go together on top, right?
Yeah. I would hope so.
Hey, baby.
Hey. You're making a template? Or is that the window?
I would consider it a form.
Is that the window?
Yeah, this is a support form. I'm sure the people that make these know what they're talking about. Oh, that's nice.
What's that? Did it wear
Don't
off?
tell anybody. I scratched the limestone.
That's okay. You won't be able to tell once it gets up. Shh. Frank got those done. Finished that column up. We ran out of mortar last night, so he finished that up this morning. Here's the other column. I think they look really nice. And we're going to put those flat stones on so we can continue. They're ready to go. Looks like Frank got these primed a little bit. He's down there finishing up the form that will be in the area of the windows that will help hold those in. Here's the window that goes in that spot. You can see the arch right here, and that Frank's got the form down there. So I'm not sure when we're going to put this in, but it won't be very long. We are continuing on upward and onward, and we're pretty excited. So,
Well, I'm gonna get these couple more screws in, and then I'll be able to check this, see if it works. We'll check it on the ground, of course.
of course.
But these are in there so all the mortar doesn't fall out.
Those are right on the mortar joint.
I guess it's not going to work exactly because my mortar joints aren't going to be this. I don't have anything to put in for mortar joint. So I guess it won't work to do it on the ground. I'll just have to trust it.
There it is. It's pretty, it looks pretty sturdy.
Oh yeah, it doesn't, yeah. It'll hold up whatever it needs to hold up. That's bullshit.
Good. So
I was gonna see if you'll pressure wash
yeah.
these.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, that doesn't have to be. I don't want them pressure washed clean. I want the dirt and the green.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm over here where these stones are. These three go to the tower, but all the rest of these go with that dormer, and these are going to be kind of booger bears to get up. These are some pretty big stones, but these are the ones that we're headed for this time. Those are those flat stones. I cleaned them yesterday. we're gonna load them on to old trusty right there and get these loaded onto Bertha, and she'll do her job.
O land of rest for thee I sigh, when will the moment come when I shall lay my armor by and dwell in peace at home? We'll work till Jesus comes. We'll work till Jesus comes. We'll work till Jesus comes, and we'll be gathered home. No tranquil joys on earth I know, no peaceful sheltering dome. This world's a wilderness of woe, this world is not my home. We'll work till Jesus comes. We'll work till Jesus comes. We'll work till Jesus comes, and we'll be gathered home. I sought at once my Savior's side, no more my steps shall roam. With him I'll brave death's chilling tide and reach my heavenly home. We'll work till Jesus comes. We'll work till Jesus comes. We'll work till Jesus comes, and we'll be gathered home.
We've got it up here.
Tell you what, this new work platform, it is amazing. I mean, that other one, we would be working with that little spot right there.
Yeah.
This is really nice.
Yes, it is.
I gotta do my priming thing, if that's
Yeah.
what it's called.
And that one goes here.
Yes, ma'am. It's upside down. Right now it's upside down.
Oh, okay.
That's why I'm priming, or
Well,
whatever it's called, the bottom side. I'm gonna try something different.
we're trying something different. What are we trying?
I'm gonna see if I can put this down and then trowel off some of it, and then so I'm gonna try to see if I can put this here.
To get your mortar lines? Or your...
Now I have to get it flat. And then when it goes on, since this is 1/2 inch pointing trowel, then I'll have a 3/8 of an inch. Once it settles down a little bit, then we should have almost flat the first time.
That'll be nice.
The kicker is trying to get it on here fast enough to where it doesn't start setting up before I get that big chunk on. Now, so I don't disturb this one, I'm not gonna put anything in that one.
You're just gonna put it in
I'm
after?
gonna put it in after the fact. Think this will work?
I don't know, I hope so.
Can't do worse than other ways I've tried.
No. A hotline mortar is definitely a beast all its own.
It's a lot more workable, I think, than
Yeah.
regular mortar.
It gives you a lot more time to use it.
That's what I mean.
Yeah. It's pretty forgiving.
Well, there goes nothing, baby.
Okay.
Let's see what. Not falling off this thing.
Yeah. still both boots really help right now.
When we watched the video of this taking it off last night, I estimated it at 450, but I don't know that it's 450. Heavy.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not even close to level.
Not too bad. Frank doing his favorite thing in the world.
What's that?
Pointing.
Working with you?
Pointing.
No, it's working with you, baby.
Oh, thank you. Even when I make mistakes.
Yeah, that's rare. Like a unicorn. It's rare like a unicorn, baby.
That looks so nice, Frank.
Baby,
Yeah?
I did it without knocking any of those bricks all loose on me.
Yeah, your column is...
Did it stay?
Yeah. This had a night to set up though too. Well,
Yeah, but it was a cold night.
yeah, it was. But no, it looks great.
Just trying to lock this puppy in place.
Yep. And then we get to redo it. Well, not redo, but ditto it. On,
Replicate.
yeah. Carbon copy it on this side. Mirror image.
There you go, baby. You nailed that one.
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
Hey,
Look, I got the mirror image, like you said.
like the mirror image. You did
It's
all
all
that.
level and plumb, and
You did all that while I was downstairs.
well, it was one rock.
Yeah.
How hard can
Oh.
it be to put one rock?
There it is. Without the clamps, without any braces, it looks fantastic. It looks wonderful. You comfortable, Mia? Are you sitting in my spot? Hmm.